Welcome to Claude Fable 5, the ultimate writing tool for authors. To get started, simply launch the app and click on New Project. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can begin setting up your story. Let's create a new project for our fantasy novel about Elian, the young wizard. When working with Claude Fable 5, it's essential to craft effective prompts that help the AI understand your story and characters. Start by using specific and detailed prompts that define your character's traits, backstory, and motivations. For example, let's create a prompt for Elian's character. Elian is a 25-year-old wizard with a troubled past and a penchant for magic. As you write your story, it's crucial to track your character's development and growth. Claude Fable 5's character tracking feature allows you to monitor your character's traits, motivations, and backstory, ensuring consistency throughout your novel. Let's use this feature to track Elian's character development and see how he evolves over the course of the story. One common mistake writers make when using Claude Fable 5 is forgetting to specify the character context in their prompts. This can lead to inconsistent character responses and undermine the credibility of your story. Let's see what happens when we forget to specify the character context and how it affects the AI's response. Claude Fable 5's story outline feature allows you to create a structured narrative with clear plot points, helping you stay organized and focused as you write. Let's use this feature to create an outline for our fantasy novel, including key events and plot twists. By mastering the art of prompting in Claude Fable 5, you can unlock the full potential of this powerful writing tool and take your writing to the next level. Remember to craft effective prompts, track character development, and organize your story to create a compelling and engaging narrative.